you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel John and this is my second video for my channel. Now I am doing this face of makeup for you guys in the video, and it was a highly requested video, you guys. Like, we did not have a much of audience here on YouTube which are connected with me, but I also run an Instagram page with the same name, Caramel Beauty. If you haven't checked it out, do check my page. I'll share a lot of stuff there. And this face that you're watching, मैं आपको daily ऐसे ही दिखूंगी. If you happen to meet me, all my friends know, and they actually requested me to do this in front of the camera, like what I do, what are the steps that I follow. And you guys, there are only 2 to 3 steps to achieve this face right here, and it's so doable, it's so achievable in like legit 5 minutes. I've been doing it since years now. सुबह मेरे पास बस 5 मिनट होते हैं तैयार होने के लिए. I put this face on and it actually goes with everything, you know. It goes with blacks and whites and blues and every shade. बस थोड़ा सा lipstick change हो जाता होगा तो हो जाता होगा, and everything remains the same every day. Okay जी, so let's get started with the face. And this is my clean face. I've just washed it with a mild cleanser. और बस उसके अलावा मैंने कुछ नहीं लगाया. I know I look greasy, but get used to this stickiness on my face because I'm all the time oily. I have a very oily skin. And yeah, to tell you, I am NC40 in MAC if you're concerned about the skin tone. And whatever products I've been using, it is relatable to NC40 product of MAC, and hence the name of my channel, Caramel Beauty, because I'm caramel tone and I absolutely love it. Okay, बहुत blabber हो गया. Let us get started now. So to achieve my signature look, I usually begin with a sunscreen, and on my clean face I begin with the sunscreen. This one is the La Shield Physico matte sunscreen gel. I go for a matte one because I'm oily skinned, and I'll apply moisturizers also, so that will add on to the oiliness of my face if I use an oily sunscreen. So I use a matte variant. I'll take a good pump out of it, just a good squeeze. By the way, I'll link all the items that I've been using in the video in the description box, so if you forget anything, then do check out the description. You'll find all the products down there. So I'll just massage the sunscreen on my face, and it's a very good one, you guys. It gives a matte look all of a sudden. And if you don't want to wear any makeup whatsoever, you can just put this sunscreen, put some blush and lipstick, and you're good to go any which ways. And I generally do that also. Whenever I have no time to dress up, I just put some sunscreen, some blush and a little lipstick. That's it. That also works for me, because this one has like no white cast and nothing. It's really good on bare skin as well. So I'll just let it sit there for a while. After massaging it in completely, I'll just let it sit there for a while. And meanwhile, what I'll do, now that the sunscreen is absorbed well in my skin, I'll straight away go to a tinted moisturizer. Now on a daily basis मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता सुबह कि I put primer and stuff before my foundation. No, I cannot do that. And if you just want to put concealer also, then that is also fine. I generally go for a tinted moisturizer. Now if you do not have a tinted moisturizer, I'm going to ease it down for you because I make my own tinted moisturizer. Now what do? I take any moisturizer that I like, and I take a good pump on it on the back of my hand, and I put my matte foundation in it. Okay, I put like 1 or 2 drops, that's it. I just put it in my moisturizer and mix it gently with my hands, no brush, nothing doing, and I'll put it all over my face like this. It might look like a lot of product, but नहीं, इसमें बहुत सारा तो moisturizer ही है, and it is only 1 or 2 pumps of foundation. So don't freak out if it looks a lot for you. No, it's not going to be a lot. It's going to be just enough, and you'll see that in a while. I'll just massage it like that. By the way, if you hear any noise behind me, I highly apologize. I cannot control the construction that is going on right besides my house. These people have been constructing, I don't know, Taj Mahal right besides me, and I cannot control it, so I highly apologize if you hear anything unusual. So yeah, now that is completely absorbed. See how good it looks like. It gives such a natural finish, and it's not even cakey and nothing of that sort, you know. It's so good and stays put, and it gives you a good amount of coverage also. Now, to be honest, I don't want to do anything on my face for the coverage, but for some people, I know my dark circles are going to bother you. Now I have been very ill for the past 1 week, so I'll try to cover these dark circles also. I've just taken 1 pump of foundation on my back of the hand again. I'll dip my brush in it and just put down a layer of foundation here. Just neat foundation, not with the moisturizer. I'll put it here. That's it. इससे ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं करना, ना ये मुझे bother करते हैं dark circles. I mean, come on, they're natural. Yeah, everybody has it and everybody understands also. It's not a big deal. So I don't want a lot of coverage on my everyday basis. Whatever I've got, I'm happy in it, and it looks absolutely effortless and natural also. Like, nobody can tell you you're wearing makeup on your skin if you follow these steps. So yeah, इतना ही ठीक है. Now, coming to my favorite part is the blush. I never skip blush. I live on blushes. I have a zillion blushes, and I don't know, for some reason I keep going back to the K-Beauty blushes. I have a lot of shades in this one as well. If you want, I'll make a complete video for you on this. But dude, these blushes they're like amazing. I just want to eat them. I don't know why I want to eat everything. But these blushes are so good, you guys, and it's so good. Their shade range is absolutely bang on for everyday use. They're so good. So I'll just take it on my brush. I'll just take out the excess and put it on the apples of my cheek. No technique, no rocket science. बस ऐसे ही मैंने इसको उठाया. अच्छा, पहले जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम इन ब्रशेस को ट्राई किया था, मुझे लगा अरे यार टू मच प्रोडक्ट, पर नहीं, वंस यू ब्लेंड इट आउट, इट इज सो गुड. आई मीन, you've done a brilliant job. These blushes are life saving. You guys should have it. And a little more. इसकी कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए, because it has to stay there all day. And blushes, because blushes, you know, tend to wash out, so apply a little more, a little excess in the morning, and it will fade out eventually. And if you're using a powder brush, तो फिर तो ये पक्का wash out हो जाएगा जल्दी से. आप हाथ लगाओगे, फेस पे कुछ करोगे, तो फिर it will wash out very easily. इसलिए स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा लो, बाद में जाके तो अपने आप ये माइल्ड हो जाएगा. And too much of a blush क्या होता है यार? What is too much of blush? I mean, I never understand that. अच्छा, थोड़ा भी जोकर की तरह नहीं, थोड़ा सा इसको चिन पे भी लगा लेते हैं. And done. I just want to keep on putting this, but मैं सच में जोकर बन जाऊंगी. Okay, yeah. Done. Finally done. Let's keep this aside. Now I'll put the mascara. Very important. Okay. यार, एक तो ना, in my stack of mascara, you know, I always get my hands on this one. क्योंकि एक तो इसका कलर इतना पॉपी है, and generally all my mascaras are black and deep toned, and this one is like this जनटक येलो कलर. यू कैन सी इट फ्रॉम द मून, यू नो, जैसे पीके का हेलमेट होता है ना, वैसा ही ये है. और ये मेरी नज़र सबसे पहले इस पर पड़ती है, एंड आई पिक इट अप. बट दिस वन एक्चुअली इज़ नॉट गुड, यू गाइस. इसका एक मैंने रिव्यू शॉट डाला था चैनल पे. इफ़ यू नॉट सीन, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली सी. मतलब, आई मीन, Maybelline knows its game in mascara. I have been using Maybelline mascara since very long. जब से मैंने mascara लगाना शुरू किया है, I've been using Maybelline but I don't know what happened in this one. This does nothing for my lashes, like absolutely nothing for my lashes. And naturally he, matlab, if you can see, I have, you know, I have subtle lashes, I have decent looking lashes, and I don't know why this product doesn't work for me also. I don't like it. I mean, maybe please do something about it. It might work for some people, I don't know, but it doesn't work for me at all. Secondly, इससे अच्छा तो हाँ, इसका वो वाला अच्छा है, that pink one. What is that? The Sky High mascara, that is bang on, that is really good, Maybelline. And another one, the Lash Sensational one, yes, that is also very good variant in Maybelline. Maybelline knows its game in mascara, but I don't know what happened in that one. Okay, so anyway, right now I'll be using this Colorbar Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. इसके एक साइड पे is the lengthening wand and एक साइड पे it is a volumizing wand. तो अभी I'll put the volumizing one. मुझे ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंट्रीग करता है, लेंथ ठीक ठाक है मेरे लैशेस की. I'll take this and I'll put it only on my upper lashes. Lower पे मैं generally तब मस्कारा लगाती हूँ जब मैं कंप्लीट आई लुक करती हूँ. अदरवाइज टू वेक माई आईज अप ये वाला बहुत हो जाता है. डू यू सी, मतलब इंस्टेंटली मस्कारा ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देता है पूरा फेस ना, एकदम ऐसे आईज एकदम वेकी वेकी हो जाती हैं एंड दे लुक वेरी गुड. सी, ट्विंकी ट्विंकी. That's it. That's it. Nice, good one. You can get your hands on this one. It's very good from Colorbar. I'll link it down in the description. Okay, जी, now for the lipstick. अभी everyday basis पे I do not book Hentak lipsticks. Okay, I love my reds, but no, in labs I cannot put red and go. So I keep a lot of nude colors with me, and I suggest you guys buy nude colors if you live in India. And these nude colors work out really well for the Indian skin tone, for these olive shades. So this lipstick, this one from Maybelline, this lipstick you must have heard every influencer speaking, every beauty creator that is out there, everyone has spoken about this color. This is the Maybelline 657 Nude Nuance from the Creamy Matte collection. And this baby, I mean, I cannot rave enough about this color. This is so good. If you see, it's, are you able to, yeah, this color is like so good. And this one, it's actually new. This one is new, and this must be my 4th bullet, you guys. I'm not even joking. This is my 4th bullet in this one, and I don't want to run out of this one. कभी ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है नायका पे, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, तो मैं खुद से जाके इसको लेके आती हूँ, बट आई एम नेवर आउट ऑन दिस वन. And trust me, if you are NC40 and if you are anywhere near to me, yeah, even if you are a shade lighter from me, trust me, this is the shade for you. This is so gorgeous. I mean, so gorgeous. You see, good for every day. It's good for parties also. If you do a smoky eye, उसके साथ भी बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. And for our skin tone girls out there, this one is a bang on for you guys. So do get your hands in this one. If you, I know already a lot of you must be having this color, but for my new girls out there, this one is really good. Get your hands on this one. Let us put it. Plus the formula and the texture, everything is so good. Like, it will stay on your lip. Like, it's a creamy matte formula, so it's not completely transfer proof, but it will stay there for around 4 hours at least. It will stay very nicely, provided you don't rub it with your hands or do anything like that. It will stay for almost 4 hours on your lips. So yeah, definitely do check this out. So yeah, that's it for today's look, and this is my signature makeup. Like, this is what I do every day on a daily basis. I have to rush out in the morning, and I have to travel a lot to reach to my office. और मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कर पाती हूँ सुबह सुबह. आई नो यू गाइज कैन रिलेट, मैनी ऑफ यू कैन रिलेट एक्चुअली, जिनको एक्चुअली घर से बहुत जल्दी निकलना पड़ता है एंड यू डू नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ steps to follow. You cannot do it in the morning, right? So these are like 2 to 3 steps which are more than enough if you do them, or this will actually make a difference to your skin and looks so good also, you know, it looks so fresh. And wherever I go, people appreciate my makeup skills. They ask me how you do this. So yeah, this is just my secret, and इसमें कुछ secret था तो नहीं, but yeah, this is the look that I carry. I love carrying this face, and it's like evergreen, you guys. It's always in trend. This type of face is always in trend, and इसको up and down करना is so easy. Like if you put a red lipstick इधर पे, it will look so gorgeous, like with the minimum face, and that red pool lip will look so good. So I hope my friends and all of the viewers are satisfied with what I've achieved here. No setting spray, no nothing doing. I can include a lot of steps here, but no, I really don't think that it's very realistic also. जो लोग ऑफिस जाते हैं, जिनको भागना होता है, आई डोंट थिंक इतना टाइम होता है सुबह कि आप सेटिंग स्प्रे ढूंढो,
उसमें भी मैट ढूंढो, फिर उसमें डुई ढूंढो, उसमें सेमी मैट सेमी डुएट. नो आई कैन नॉट डू इट.
I have them, but I just keep it for occasions and stuff. So yeah, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.